drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by, endless waves of a calm blue.
Kurumjari, Namaste, hello, hey everyone. Today's vlog is super special. I'm heading to a housewarming ceremony and I thought I would take you along with me. But first, makeup check in the cap. So I went with a soft glam look today, nothing too heavy, just fresh and glowy, perfect for daytime event. Right, what do you think? We just reached. Look at this entrance. It's so beautifully decorated.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by, endless waves of a calm.
I already feel the warmth of the home and the love behind it. I am honestly obsessed with how pretty this setup is. Let's go inside. Just look at the puja corner. We Indians are so rooted with our customs and traditions.
Each shadow finds its quiet space.
Let me show you around this beautiful home.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high, thoughts like breezes whisper by.
It is simple, modern, and full of heart. Every corner has its own charm.
Where dreams take wings and learn.
One of my favorite corners. How beautifully the mirror and the light has been set up. It would be so fun to get ready.
Each shadow finds its quiet space. In the flow of light attend.
And the compartments of this cupboard, it was just so perfect.
Soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be.
Time for the terrace and the balcony check. Yeah, every home needs this spot. This is like our relaxation spot. Just look at the view. Okay, now comes the best part of any Indian celebration. The food. I don't even know what to start with. So let's check out the menu today. Guys, look at this plate. Eco-friendly and the signature banana leaf smells so good. We have halwa, bara, and then we have idli, onion dosa. Next, we had sambar, coconut chutney, and the red chutney. Next comes raita, then mushroom biryani. Then we have potato curry with puri. This is the plate of one of my colleague. The choices of food difference you can see here. That's his plate. Now I will show you what I take. It was very obvious. Obviously puri, biryani, halwa and bara. Since the housewarming party got wrapped up quite early. Now we are heading towards Sri Dharmalingeshwarar Hill Temple.
the stillness, the clouds
This is the
drift
temple
high.
that I was talking about. We are going to climb all the way up to this hill.
Whisper by endless waves of a calm
Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start.
where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace.
We haven't reached that much height, but still the view
Finds its
keeps getting better and better as I go higher. So I'm just showing you one round how it looks from a little bit, but the next view that will come after this will be much better than
the
this.
soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling.
Can you just imagine the number of steps we had to climb that day was 946 steps.
Of you and me.
As I have told earlier, the higher we reach, the view just gets getting better and better. The clouds, the trees, the magnificent steps, everything was making the day look so beautiful. And can you see that trend coming over there? Yeah, it was just breathtakingly beautiful. And finally we have reached the temple, and after reaching there we were so exhausted and I could not film the temple inside, so please forgive me for that.
Nature hum.
Finally, it's time for me to head back to my hostel. It was a very tiring day. After coming down from the hill, my legs were paining, but it was worth the climb.
Whisper by endless waves of a calm blue sky.
So my dear audience, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite part of the video, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Till then, take care.
Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene